babe? You want to say anything to them? You want to say anything to them before they see you? Okay, so hail them. They're hearing you. Are you excited? Hold on, that break up. We never hear what you say. Say it again. Baby, I break up. I not hear what you say.
Can you hear clear? Set, bless up the vlog, sir.
Okay.
Bless up to the subscribers. I'm fully excited, man.
Talk truth. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, guys, so they're hearing you. I don't need to tell them. They can hear. Anyhow, guys, when we're taking off, me come back soon. I'm gonna see Wagwan coming up window seat so we can see Wagwan. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you guys, we're going to Jamaica for Christmas. So excited. So yeah, come with me to Jamaica. Can I finish my intro? Come with me to Jamaica. But we're here. This is the first that I actually slept on, not, anyways, let me put on my shoes. I'm so excited to put on my Jamaica more than once would be a thing in COVID. Jesus, what a year. I'm glad I reached. I'm glad I come out and see this. Nah, like. I want to say them would have choke themselves if they did this. Same song. Literally, same song. Same song. So So guys, waiting to see the nurse. There's a lot more people than the last time I was here. We're in 3 separate lines now. So yeah, it's kind of hectic. There's a lot of people. So yeah. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for, but I'm not prepared. And baby's just like, girl, I know you're gonna be sleepy, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be jet lagged, you're damn fucking right. All those things and more. So yeah, but I'll catch in with you guys. It's 2:22 p.m. right now. We got here a little bit after 1:30. So as you can see so far, right? Yeah, but I'll check in when there's more to come. And these people don't know anything about social distancing. Like, everybody came here and everybody forgot about social distancing. So annoying. So yeah. Guess welcome back to the vlogs. Oh god. So how come now you want to kiss me? Well, those kisses feel different. Who you been practicing on? Who you been practicing on? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you see what little COVID time though? You see when you can't come find your little weekends down and stuff like that? Them gone go find Mexico man. Him kiss me different. We never get kissed like that before. Ross, it's still recording. So guys, we're in Jamaica! Yo, inside was ridiculous. Yo, the bag you're heavy, and I'm not tell a lie. You can't hold that one here and me carry the small one? No, this one on my hand.
Yeah, give me the heavy one. Oh, the pen there. Why are these on? They have straps. Why you know?
You are gonna mash up my things. Yo, people. Joking at the Christmas, okay?
Nah.
So people say them are gonna ball for because them tell me the other day say them back are hurt. Them back. Oi!
A lack of sex cause the back pain. Oi!
No, them back and shoulder kill them because of work.
And a work alone, a lack of sex. No, hear me song, yeah? Soca.
Anyways.
I want to mash up soca, basically.
So, yeah, because I was sitting there.
Yes, I'm doing. You want to come up here? What kind of business is this?
Anyways, yeah, so the sir tell me say.
Right. I lack of sex cause the back.
The sir tell me say. Him back hurt him, right? So I say, alright, cool. So now the good gonna go on that trip here. Cool. Then just now, maybe I try to feel me up, I'm gonna see her. Alright, cool. So the man understand, but me already done condition my mind, so me is going to be a virgin on a trip here because my husband back hurt me, and then it makes sense to me go tear out him back and then he can't go work. You understand? So you mean you look like him ready for ball? I ask him, you go ball for him say yeah. I'm afraid for I don't talk and for me to pick up the camera and put it on it. So I'm picking up the camera and I'm putting it on it. Are my curls? What curls? What curls? But we're in Jamaica! Currently waiting to get out of the airport. I'm vlogging with my new camera so I can actually see y'all. I forgot what it was like to have a fully functioning camera.
You have to come back right after 300.
You have credit on your phone?
Yeah, I have to run a debit card.
Oh yes, baby. Tell the people I'm saying you're crying for boom boom.
Who would cry for that after so long waiting?
What is so long?
Months.
So extra was a person.
Yeah, come here, come on.
loves my People Man shirts.
Everybody.
Anyways, we went to TGI Fridays. I'm so excited. OMG.
We'll get shrimp and base.
I feel like a real uptowner. I need to crib up my ear. Coming ready for work streets, yes? But yeah, guys, we're leaving TGI down. Go now. Jesus Christ. Go back. Jesus Christ. Okay, okay.
Well, see you.
So anyways, guys, we got our food. When we reach home, we're not dining in. As soon as we got there, it said that the kitchen locked. Last call for the kitchen. So we were able to just get our food and go, which is kind of what I wanted to do anyways. Because, yeah. And then, okay, but I haven't eaten all day. Even from yesterday, I haven't eaten. I have not eaten from yesterday night. I have not eaten anything, and I've been up. So I'm grateful to feel away. I feel away. I feel away. We need to put that on our shirt, you know. I feel away.
What are the flowers? How much are flowers there? Next time, I'll come.
Where we are go buy juice?
Huh? No, I'm circle back, man. Over there. No, I'm not come back. Over there. No one.
Thirsty, bad. Thirsty people are hungry. So, on the way home now. When we reach in, back to y'all. These eyelashes are from Lava Girl Accessories. That's all? Lava Girl Accessories. Yeah, look at my head. Sweat out on all these things. I went to work today, y'all.
I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something. My care can dance on this long thing.